Hey, in this video, I will walk you through how to use the YATCO listing scraper. YACHTCO is a website for a marketplace for listing yachts for sale, and it's used by many of the world's top brokerages. The goal in building this was to help brokers, salespeople, marketing folks that are working with yacht companies to better understand the market and market comparables. Here, we're on YATCO's website, and typically you could go through and search for listings the old-fashioned way. Click through each listing, wait for it to load, understand each one of these. Or you could extract all this information in a matter of seconds. So that's why we built the YATCO listing scraper, to be able to pull all this information into a spreadsheet so that you don't have to actually do it yourself. Here, we're going to go ahead and look at the scraper. What we're doing here is we're actually just going to the website. We're going to pull a link. As you see right here, the start URL. We pull in the URL from the YATCO search that we did. We add it into the scraper, and we designate how many items that we want to scrape from the website. Make it as high as you want. The great thing about this is you get a free trial, and after the free trial, you can scrape as many times as you want, every day, multiple times a day. It's up to you. This is the information that you'll receive. You'll also receive broker information, the location of the yacht, pricing, all the details on it. And here's how it works. You sign up for the Apify account, which is right here. Super simple. Takes 2 seconds. Then you go to the YATCO listing site and you pull in, let's just use this one for example. We'll pull in this search URL and you go into the start page and set up this information. So we'll do that right here. I've already got one in here. This is looking for yachts. I'll just show you the link real quick. See how slow it takes the YATCO website to load. But we've got here in Italy, Genoa, we're looking for steel hulls, and we found about 23 items. So we'll go ahead and scrape all that into our spreadsheet. I'll put this up higher because I only need 20 for this demonstration. Let's go ahead and search. As we search, the information will be pulled in here. In the log screen, you can see it starting the actor in the background. The actor is Apify's designation for a web scraper. So it's going through here, a lot of technical stuff, but we'll see all of the listings it pulled in. So we'll go to the output page, boom, it's all there. It literally could not be easier. So you're thinking, what do I do with all this information? Well, there's a few things you could do. One, you could run this every day in a scheduled task, and you could use an integration where you actually put this in to an email, send the results via email, automatically put it into Airtable, send to you in Slack, put them in a spreadsheet in Google Drive, or a much more complex automation if that's what you're into. But we'll go back to the run we just did here. And I'm more of an old-fashioned person. I like to see things in a spreadsheet. So I'm going to pull all this data down into a spreadsheet. We can designate the columns that we want in the spreadsheet since there are a few of them. And you can either do the overview or all fields. I'll select overview here. And you can also say which fields you want to omit. We'll go ahead and download. And now, voila, just like magic, it's all into a spreadsheet. It took literally under a minute to gather all this information for these yachts. We see here the vessel name, the make and model, the builder name. A lot of this will be dependent on the amount of information in the listing, but you get pricing. You can understand the condition, all of the dimensions, the location, the broker. This is very important. Broker details, the image URLs, all this information you can pull down to better understand market comps. So this is how you use the YATCO yacht listing scraper. And I look forward to hearing from you and how we can continue to make this better for your needs. Thanks so much.